Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix choppy playback issues in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're running this program on an older machine or something less powerful, there is a chance that when working with high resolution footage, playback gets a little bit choppy. So as you can see here, I have a high resolution footage in my timeline, and let's say, for example, there are many things in your timeline happening at the same time. You have lots of effects, lots of text and audio effects. Things can start getting a little choppy when viewing it through the program monitor here in the middle. So, a quick and easy way to fix this would be to change the resolution scale of your playback. So, to do this, simply look in your program monitor, and there's this small box here that says select playback resolution. You can go ahead and change it to 1/4 or 1/8, whichever one gives you the best result. So, doing so will shrink the resolution of your playback. So let's say I have 4K footage. This is going to make the playback run in 720p. Now, this doesn't really have there's no issue with changing your playback resolution because when you export the file, it's going to be exported according to the resolution setting of your project. So changing this has no effect on the finished product. That's an important thing to keep in mind. And doing so, hopefully, will make your playback a lot smoother and run a lot faster, especially if you're running weaker hardware. So that's it for this video. It's a really quick and easy how to. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.